Hi, to reset keyboard settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25, just open Settings. Here find General Management and after that pick Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now you need to scroll down and find Reset to Default Settings. Here you got a choice to reset keyboard settings or erase personalized predictions or erase personalized touch recognition data, or clear cache. So to reset keyboard settings, just tap here, and please note that a reset deletes all personal keyboard data such as predictions and dictionary. But you can do it if your keyboard is not working properly. So let's tap reset. Wait a couple of seconds and after that simply go back and you'll see that your keyboard has been successfully reset. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.